Good morning and welcome to Distance Learning Week 8. The dates for this week are May 18th through May 22nd. This week we're going to be meeting both days, either on Monday and Wednesday or Tuesday and Thursday, depending on your class period. Remember, Monday and Tuesday we start a little bit later so that you have the opportunity to watch our weekly video and get your assignments exported to Notability and ready to go so you can ask any questions that you need on our Monday and Tuesday meeting. This week we will be meeting on Wednesday and Thursday, and in just a minute I'll tell you why. But we're going to start that at the regular class time, so either 9 o'clock or 10:30. The link is on the welcome page on Neo. Make sure you're clicking on the correct link. So the first link will be for the Monday-Tuesday meeting, and the second link is for the Wednesday-Thursday meeting. So make sure you're clicking on the correct link on that day and that you're attending class on time. The second meeting of the week won't be too long, but it is really important that you attend because it is setting you up for the rest of our school year. So our agenda for this week, we're going to have two tasks. The first one, which you should complete on Monday or Tuesday, is ecosystem services and keystone species. And then the second task is introing our raft project. So task number one, again, you want to complete this on Monday or Tuesday of this week. You're going to open up the slideshow. This is really similar to what we did last week. You'll open up the slideshow and then open up that document. Last week I gave you guys the option of exporting to Notability or making a copy in Google Docs, but it seemed like there was a lot more issues making a copy in Google Docs. So this is going to be how it has been for the rest of distance learning. It's saved as a PDF, so you don't have the option to make a copy. So you need to export this one to Notability. Please do not open it up in Google Docs. So some of you guys that end up with really weird looking formatting and it looks super strange, that's because you're trying to open it in Google Docs. I want you to export it to Notability, okay? So open up the slideshow, get your document exported to Notability, and you will use the slideshow to fill in the notes. There's a little bit of reading, watching a short video. The video I think is like 5 minutes long, and then there's a website you're gonna use to research 3 keystone species. So all of the directions are right on there. It's pretty much self-paced, but that will be your first task completed on Monday or Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to be introing what we call a raft project. So this is our final project of the year. It's the last thing that you guys are going to be completing. So you'll essentially have, it'll be introduced this week. We can kind of take a look at it. And then you'll have next week. And then that last Monday, Tuesday. And that's it. It's going to go fast. But please make sure that you're here on Wednesday or Thursday so that you don't kind of start this project off on the wrong foot. You want to make sure that you're there to hear the explanation and be able to ask questions so that you can kind of get yourself started on a positive note. Okay, so this week should be pretty easy. Right now, what I want you to do before you attend our first Zoom meeting of the week, go ahead and get that slideshow open and the document exported to Notability, and then you can plan to join me for our first Zoom meeting of the week in just a few minutes. I will see you guys shortly.